Give them snacks and bones to chew on. Cake bones. Susan!
Yeah, but control.
Bones to chew on. It's artificial bone.
Okay, that's no problem. But let me lock the small ones in here so that they don't fight.
I'm going to give some to the small ones too.
Yeah.
That's small and big.
I put small ones here and then I put that in.
Thank you. Open up some big ones, it's the small ones.
Ha! So happy!
Bring all here.
Santa Claus is here.
Help me to open up. Can give now, right?
Huh?
Can give.
Okay.
Don't mind, right?
No, I don't mind. Hey, no fighting, huh? Raymond, watch it. Raymond, go, come. Got already, go. Raymond, go.
More, come on, open up. Open up.
Okay, go play.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Come on.
Can you by hand, they won't bite. All of them won't bite.
Everybody get here, baby.
Jerry, come.
Here, baby.
Hey, you all take it abandoned, right? Raymond, you got two. Raymond, you watch it. Don't bite my hand. No, one only. Small ones.
Give me small. Here, baby.
Okay. Oh, now abandon it. Go play.
They'll eat after.
Yeah. Go play.
Probably tomorrow.
Come. Please, yes. They'll chew on it last really.
Here, baby.
You really fun. Hey, you got three. They prefer durian. My hand got durian. Let's go.
After when the excitement comes down, they're cute.
Yeah.
Right now they're too happy.
Yeah.
But the big one likes see.
Come, put it. Jerry, come. Jerry.
Yeah, baby, come. Yeah, try that one. Maybe it's gonna
Whoa. They hit jackpot.
This one's got very special flavor. Here, baby. Here. Bring up, man. No bye-bye, no bye-bye. Poor baby.
Oh, sorry.
No bye-bye.
The big one bites the small one. Yeah, the big one. Yeah. You're a real monster.
You don't drama, Lebe, okay?
Drama. Why is he in there?
Huh? Because I opened for them today. You take
Oh.
Go.
Open these exciting
Pick him out, lah.
There you go.
Here, baby. Here.
Hey.
Here, baby. I'm on. Yeah. I'm on. Yeah.
Raymond.
I'm on. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Here. Here, I'm on. Momo, I'm on. Here. Here, I'm on. Here. I'm on. Here. This one's exciting. Momo, I'm on.
Watch it. No.
Baby, I'm on. Here, I'm on. I guess it's everybody got. Here, baby. No, she's just scared. Here, baby. Oh, I'm sorry. Poor baby.
We got carry 4, 3, 4, 1, and I come.
Aturang 5.
You good lah.
I don't know if we know how to play.
Well, there's one toy they shred one. There's a few players only. Hey boys! Oh my god.
Okay, I bought a lot of toys. And I bought a lot of snacks. I'll leave that with you. Give us slowly. We can't give all today.
No, no.
Then I bought all these food for you too.
Thank you very much.
Then I would like you to show me around. Then I want to sit down and talk to you for a little while, if you don't mind, please. You look good.
I look good.
No, you look very healthy and fresh, very active.
Wait till I'm done with you. Tell you my sad story.
You got a sad story on. You read my sad story, you're gonna think your sad story is happy story. Okay. We'll talk more. What's this white one? Any food is okay for them, right?
Yes. Any food you buy is okay with that because this is top of the line stuff.
You're mooching cigarette from her.
Yeah.
You should give her cigarettes.
We're friends.
Yeah, I'm sure.
We share.
Take me on a tour, please.
Please, Gary.
Thanks.
You want to go in the dogs first?
No, I want to just walk them down seats. I can see like this.
Oh, they're still inside.
More.
It's more inside. Yeah.
Now they're chewing, most of them.
Huh? Yeah, now they're
They
settled
have
down.
their own personality.
Huh? Saya pun tak ada.